Welcome, friends. Today we begin our journey of learning English through the Dhamma. Our first lesson is called Breathing In, Breathing Out, Simple Sentences. We will learn how to use very simple English sentences while practicing mindfulness of breathing. Take a comfortable seat, relax your shoulders, let's breathe together. Inhale, exhale, and smile gently. Listen and repeat after me. I breathe in. I breathe out. Say it slowly with me. I breathe in. I breathe out. Now let's add one more word. Calm. I breathe in calm. I breathe out calm. Repeat again. I breathe in calm. I breathe out calm. These are simple sentences. They help us practice English and they help us practice mindfulness. Let's connect the words with the breath. When you inhale, say softly in your mind, I breathe in. When you exhale, say softly, I breathe out. Let's try together for 3 breaths. Ready? I breathe in. I breathe out. I breathe in. I breathe out. I breathe in, I breathe out. Very good. You are practicing English and mindfulness at the same time. Now let's make the sentences a little longer. I breathe in, I feel happy. I breathe out, I feel peaceful. Repeat after me. I breathe in, I feel happy. I breathe out, I feel peaceful. These sentences are simple, but they carry meaning. Breathing in, we feel joy. Breathing out, we feel peace. Let's imagine daily life. When you wake up in the morning, you can say, I breathe in, I wake up. I breathe out, I smile. When you feel stress, you can say, I breathe in, I calm down. I breathe out, I let go. Repeat these sentences with me. I breathe in, I wake up. I breathe out, I smile. I breathe in, I calm down. I breathe out, I let go. This is both English practice and mindfulness practice. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Breathe naturally. Say softly in your mind, I breathe in. I breathe out. If you want, add one feeling word. Happy, calm, peaceful. I breathe in happy. I breathe out peaceful. This is your practice. Simple words, simple sentences, deep meaning. Today we learned our first lesson, breathing in, breathing out. Simple sentences. We practice saying, I breathe in. I breathe out. I breathe in calm. I breathe out calm. I breathe in, I feel happy. I breathe out, I feel peaceful. These sentences are easy, but they help us connect language learning with mindfulness. Remember, every breath is a chance to practice English, and every word is a chance to practice mindfulness. Thank you for joining me. May your breathing bring calm, joy, and clarity.